guys, Joe for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the New Balance 5740. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we ain't able to do this. So let's get into it. So today we've got a look at the New Balance 5740. I hope I said that right, because it could be the 57/40 or 40, whatever, but that's how it's stylized. We'll show you the reason why it's called that once we get unboxing. But before all that, let's get into the specs. So unfortunately, New Balance don't like to put the colorway of the sneakers on the box, but believe me, this is a burgundy sneaker. So we got this New Balance 5740 in a UK size 7.5. It's a European 41.5, and it's a US size 8. There it is. Now, why did I say 5740, 5740? Because these sneakers take inspiration from the iconic New Balance 574s. But before we get into all that nitty gritty, all that good stuff that you want to see, we'll start with the outsole. And this outsole is an all rubber outsole. I don't believe that the 574 has this patterning, if I remember correctly. It isn't, but you got this whole rubber traction. I've never seen a pattern like this before in my life, but you got the New Balance logo at the heel. Moving along onto the upper. Now, this is the bit where you can see the inspiration, you can see how it's modernized, and it's here with this essentially a 2 midsole layer. You got this foam layer, and again, you can see it here on this bone colorway, just above it. Again, this is another foam. And listen, I'm not here to point fingers, but I feel like someone at New Balance is getting inspiration from Nike, Sakai department. That's just me saying it. You can see it with the dad sneaker trend that has been so prevalent over the last couple of years. You can see the inspiration here with this 2 thick midsole unit. It looks like a Triple S Balenciaga. You've got more of that dad shoe fit, that chunky trainer vibes all along here. But essentially, the way that New Balance have advertised the sneaker, it is a more sleek, modernized version of their iconic 574. And you can see it still, the silhouette, the DNA is still here with the toe box area. It's very similar. The way that this shape is of the uppers as well, it's just very, very reminiscent of the 574. Again, I'm not sure if I'm calling it right, if it's the 5740 or the 5740. So if anyone there in the comment section can help me, let me know in the comment section below. So we'll get into the uppers. So this upper is made out of a beautiful suede finish. You can see it here, the toe box. Just underneath that, you got a mesh. A lot of running inspired parts found here. Again, you can find it in the 574. The cuts of suede all around. Again, mid part as well. Unlike the 574, this 5740 has the big N logo here at the medial and the lateral sides of the sneaker. Looking at the tongue, very nicely padded. You got the flat laces. Again, it's still the same shape as the 574s. Where I think New Balance are missing a trick here is that instead of the New Balance logo, they could have put the 5740, but instead you have to turn it and look at the back where you got the Intelligent Choice and 5740 just underneath it. The heel, again, I feel like New Balance should have put a little logo here at least, but you've got a nicely padded heel, nicely padded ankle support, cuts of suede here again, and just the plastics and the foam underneath. The whole sneaker, again, you've got that 574 vibe, original retro 80s feel. You can see it is so prevalent, but at the end of the day, you can see that they've taken inspiration from the chunky dad sneaker vibes, the whole fashion movement. I guess New Balance are doing something right because loads of people are wearing New Balance nowadays. It's only right that New Balance take a lot of inspiration from today's fashion and trends and incorporate it in one of their most iconic silhouettes ever. That is the 574s. I'll try and get a pair of 574s to review and show you guys why I believe that's more better. I'm not the biggest fan of these. They look really nice, don't get me wrong. I'm a big fan of Bordeaux, burgundy colours, sneakers. It's very easy to wear. But I feel like New Balance are just trying something that isn't them. Regardless, we'll try this on, let you know my thoughts, feelings and emotions of the comfort, the fit, all that jazz when we show that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size New Balance fit. I am a UK size 7.5 and these are a perfect fit for me. My toes are where they need to be. Given me talking down upon these sneakers, they are really comfy. I'll give them the props in that department. And I do like the colour burgundy. So if you're able to get a pair, do get a pair. But if you want to stay true, get 574s, do that as well. Whatever floats your boat at the end of the day. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.